What's up, car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and most exciting cars reimagined for the future. Today we're talking about a legend that's been reborn, the 1996 Ford F150 XLT 4x4, now brought into 2026 with a bold, modern twist. This isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of rugged reliability, timeless style, and cutting-edge innovation that honors its roots while embracing the future. The original 1996 F150 XLT was loved for its toughness, simple design, and ability to get the job done. Ford has taken all of those qualities and turned the dial way up for the 2026 version. From the outside, the first thing you notice is the design. It still carries that squared-off, muscular silhouette that made the original iconic, but with sharper lines, LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and modern aerodynamic touches that give it a powerful yet refined look. It's a truck that feels nostalgic but also futuristic at the same time, making it appealing to both longtime fans and new buyers. When it comes to performance, Ford made sure this new F150 XLT 4x4 delivers options for every kind of driver. Under the hood, you can get a tried-and-true naturally aspirated V8 for those who love raw muscle, or a turbocharged EcoBoost V6 that balances power and efficiency. For drivers focused on fuel savings, there's even a hybrid option. And with all the buzz around electrification, there's strong speculation that an all-electric F150 XLT might be added to the lineup. No matter which setup you choose, the 4x4 system makes it highly capable whether you're off-roading in the wilderness or cruising through the city. Step inside, and the cabin is a world away from the 1996 version. The original was tough and simple, but the 2026 F150 XLT interior blends comfort, practicality, and cutting-edge tech. There are plush leather seats, a massive digital dashboard, wireless connectivity, and even advanced driver assistance systems. The infotainment system is intuitive and designed to keep you connected whether you're on the job site or on a weekend adventure. Ford has created a cabin that's equally comfortable for long trips and daily use, while still rugged enough to match the truck's hardworking image. Functionality remains a top priority, and that's where this truck shines. The 2026 F150 XLT 4x4 boasts impressive towing and payload capacities, making it perfect for those who need strength for work. Its updated suspension and reinforced frame ensure a smooth ride without sacrificing durability. Whether you're hauling, towing, or taking it off the beaten path, this truck is engineered to deliver performance you can count on. What really makes this truck special is the way it blends the old with the new. Ford has managed to capture the spirit of the 1996 F150 XLT and inject it with 21st century performance and technology. It feels like a respectful nod to the past while boldly stepping into the future. For truck lovers, it's the perfect combination of nostalgia and innovation. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more incredible car content. We've got plenty more legendary classics reimagined for the modern world coming your way, so stay tuned.